Here is the truth. 99% affiliate never make a single dollar, not because they are lazy, but the fact is, they are doing what everyone else does. Hey friends, my name is Joven, and in this video, I will show you exactly how the top 1% are pulling in $10,000 per month, predictably, quietly, and without spamming social media. No hypes, just systems that brings freedom. So you might want to grab your notepad, because by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to turn your affiliate marketing business into a predictable income machine. So before we dive in, show us some love by subscribing, especially if you are new here, and also giving us a thumbs up. Apparently, it helps the algorithm. Having said that, let's break it down step by step. Step 1 quickly is pick the right high converting offer. Remember that your affiliate marketing income depends solely on what you promote. So picking the right product is very, very important. The trick here is to pick one specific product that you will fight for to defend and learn it inside out. If you cannot explain in one simple sentence why what you promote matters, then it is a wrong offer. So it is not about promoting 100 tools. One killer product plus total mastery can give you 10 times sales. One killer product plus total mastery would gives you 10 times easier sales. Take note of that. So here is how to do it. Start with a high converting network like Digistore24, NutriProfits, Impact.com, and even JVZoo. And remember, your real job here is conviction. So if you not buy it yourself, don't sell it. So what's the point? The point is, pick one platform and also pick one product that you truly trust. Learn everything about the product. If you can buy this product, then it is the right offer for you to promote. Step number 2, build a system that sells without you. Dropping affiliate link in DMs isn't a business, it is desperation. So all you need here is a machine or a system that does the selling even while you sleep. Now here is the power trial. 1 is your landing page. Your landing page is where your leads will first land. And here they should come to understand why they need to be in your space. So your landing page should give a free value in form of a checklist, ebook, or a simple training. The second is email sequence. This is where you build trust and authority. The third is your affiliate offer page. This is where the real conversions happens. To get this right, tools like System.io, ClickFunnels, and GetResponse makes this very easy. Remember, you are not the one doing the selling, but your system does. If your system cannot convince anyone to grab your free offer, then it will not convince them to buy anything from you. So to get it right, use the tools I have mentioned earlier, that is System.io, GetResponse, or ClickFunnels, to build an attention-grabbing funnel so as to build trust and also that will lead to conversion. So what is the point? Instead of dropping your affiliate link in DMs, use simple free tools like System.io, GetResponse, or ClickFunnels to build an attention-grabbing landing page or funnel that will build trust and eventually leads to sales. Step number 3, drive targeted leads. Traffic is the bloodline of your business, but not just any traffic. We are talking about targeted traffic from people who actually want what you offer. That is the kind of traffic we are talking about here. And here is the 3 most effective ways to generate this traffic. 1. Through TikTok and YouTube Shorts. To get this done, create a short, valuable content that hits the pain points of your audience and also solve a specific problem in your niche. The second most effective traffic source is promoting through Pinterest and blogs. And the third is promoting through paid ads. So after you've successfully built a converting landing page, you can now allocate some funds to running ads. You could use Meta Ads or Google Ads or even TikTok ad or any other ads that you know is effective. Again, focus on building your email list, because your email list is your real assets. 10,000 targeted subscribers can easily generate $10,000 per month with the right sequence. That is why email list is very, very important. And remember, your social platform can ban you at any time, but your email list cannot. It remains with you at all times and you can continually make good use of it. So what is the point? After you've successfully created or built your converting system, you can now allocate some funds to running ads, and that is one of the surest way to speed up your income process. So after you've successfully selected the right products from the right platform, and you've also built a system that will convert for you, again you've also allocated some funds to running ad. That takes us to our next step, and that is step number 4, which is automate and scale intelligently. So like I said, after you've successfully set up your converting funnel and then allocate some funds to running ads, it is now to automate and scale your business intelligently. So you can now start using autoresponder tools, retargeting tools, and content scheduling tools like a Sniper. Also, it is important for you to increase your budget on ads, especially on what is working. Increase your budget on it. Another very important thing you have to do is to partner with micro-influencers in your niche. This will also boost your chances of making up to $10,000 or more within a month. And remember, automation doesn't mean hands off, it means hands-on on the right levers. Having said that, it is now time for you to track, optimize, and repeat. And that is our step number 5. Track, optimize, and repeat. And this is where it gets a little interesting, because this is where you have to track all your clicks, all your conversions, and open rates. I mean, the rates from people that are rates from your potential customers, and also those that have already bought your products or your offer. So the rating from people that have already gotten your offer, the testimonial from people that are already making use of your offer. It is really important to pen it down, because you can reuse this in the process of repeating what you are doing. To get this right, use tools like Affiliate Dashboards, Google Analytics, and ClickMagick. The next thing you want to do is to cut down on what underperformed and double down on what is working. Cut down on what underperformed, or those things that did not work well. Cut down or let them go, and then double down your efforts and your resources on what performs well. This is how to optimize your work, and this small optimization can literally double your income without any additional effort. And that is the playbook: simple, sharp, and tested. Here is the truth: most people will still watch this and do nothing. But here is the thing: don't be most people. Instead, choose the right offer. Build your system that will sell for you even while you sleep. Drive targeted leads. Automate and scale intelligently. And finally, optimize everything that works very well. And remember, affiliate marketing rewards consistency and systems, not luck. Thanks so much for watching. If you truly got value from this video, hit subscribe now, like, and turn on notification, because in my next video, I will show you 3 top affiliate marketing niches that will make you up to $100,000 per year, and you will never want to miss that. And let me know in the comment which of these tips are you finding it difficult or challenging to apply. Until next time, stay focused, stay consistent, and let's build your freedom business. Peace out.